everyone, I'm Noel. So I'm gonna have a walkthrough into my this is my app. So this is my escape room app. So the user can create name and choose game. So when user can choose game, when the user choose game, so there will be available question set here. The user can click into and play. So for example, I will start a game. This is the question here, and this is the hint. So because I already don't know the question, so I will quickly when click the answer is correct, there will be a next stage button here, and you can click into. So this is the hint. This the timer. When the time is up, so that means you're lose. So yeah. So let's come to this page. Who won the Ballon d'Or? I already know the question, but if for example, I press the wrong button like this, so when it answer correctly, next stage, and there will be 4 stage. When it answer all 4 stage, congratulations, and you successfully finished. You can either play again, and back to game session. So you can either create new game. For example, I will create a math game with times is 30 seconds maybe. So I will 1 plus 1 is 2, maybe same. The hint is optional. You can add the hints here if you want. And the last one, okay, for example like this. So you can so you have to 60 seconds at least. So the game is saved in the database. I use Sequelize, and you can see the question set is here. You can click into and play. And there's one more thing. You can either create an HTML, a static version of this. I'm using lambda function and S3 buckets. So for example, I press the button generate HTML version, so it will generate static files, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, not React. So you can see I will open in next page. So get ready. This is like the same page with it's not the UI is not same as the original because it's built with JavaScript and HTML, and in Next.js the original one I built by React, so it's pretty different, but gameplay is same, so you can play it same like in the app like this. So when it comes to the bucket, the S3 buckets here, I save the asset including the background image and stuff, and also the game. So when you try to create HTML version, so it will save into this bucket, and you can click into that, save this URL, and when you come to, like, for example, this is incognito page, you can open this link, and this is my lambda function. This is my API gateway, it's here. So I put a lambda function into this for HTML generator and managing the S3 bucket, and to have a walkthrough about the code. So this API, so I put here for integration with front end and back end. This is my EC2 instance, have API and front end. Each of it will have a Docker file, and Docker Compose is to managing them. So you can see that there will be 3 containers. One is for SQLite, the database, one is for API, and one is for front end. So that's it for the walkthrough. Thank you. So I will walk through into the playwright automation test. So I will focus to the front end actions. So this is the create game flow. So user will come to a create page and fill in all the form of by the information like name, time limit, and question. I already specified here, and fill in all the form, and press the button to create escape room. Come to the home page and come again to the play. Finding the grid. The grid here is the question list, but I display it into a grid class of CSS, and finding the name card, the question set card, including name, time, and questions number. So finding also the review buttons, delete button, and play buttons. You can see here preview button, delete button, and play button. Also check if it's included football, the name, the time limit, and the question. And the second one is the play game testing. So first come to the play and press play button, finding click the start game button, finding the lock, and click into the lock, fill in the answer and submit answer, and finding if the next stage buttons is visible if the user press the right answer. So I will npm run dev and npm run dev to run the server, and I will run npx play write test. There's some error here, so it will navigate to the playwright page. So these web browsers okay, but for Firefox maybe there's some problem with Firefox. Wait, go to I will try to access my web app by Safari to test if the website working properly. There's no problem. I will check again. Okay. As you can see, it's working fine. And Firefox. The Firefox cannot load the page. Maybe there's some outage problem with Firefox, but I will find out later. For overall, all the test case running properly, except Firefox. So that's all for my playwright test case. Thank you. It's me again. So now I'm gonna work through about the feedback results I've collected from my friend, family, and peers. So firstly, I asked my friend, I text him in text to ask him about to play this game and try the build the game and choose the game. So he's computer science, same as me. So he gonna know about the API and like technical stuff. So I text him and like he gave good word for my he gave good word for my background, my design, but the create new game. So he said that I have just limited question option. For example, he wants to create multiple choice question or true or false question. But for now, I just allowed user to create to answer short test questions, so it's a limited point of my app. But however, I have the preview mode, so he can preview the question set before playing it, and yeah, it's interactive and the website responsive. So that's his feedback. I also give my web app to my sister. He's a teacher in Vietnam, my home country. So to play this game, I tried to ask her to play this game and try to build her to create a quiz for her student. He said the game was good, but compared to like big apps, for example like Quizlet, it's quite limited. But I think for a small app like this, it's fine. And I also asked my peers at my placement please, so to ask him about the design and also gameplay. Also he gave me the same feedback. The create game, the question is quite the answer option is quite limited. He wants to choose more diversified options. For example, he wants to have like two column, one is for question, is one is for answer, and I will connect it with each other. So that is one option is will make the game more interesting. So yeah, that's all the feedback from my friend, peers, and family. Thank you for listening.